Hey, it's DJ Spy Guy here, about to get home. It is really hot, like 28 degrees. Whew. Starting off in the shade. Let's go.
Stream online at Tuesday, June 23rd, 2026, 3 hours, 36 minutes, and 21 seconds p.m.
Whoa, wow. There's the Trianda ahead of us. Perfect timing. Oh.
Monkadanana said, "Good evening, Sir Spy Guy." Linux Physics said, "Hi, is Strava running?"
Oh, yeah, it is. I was gonna say no, but it is. Let's see how we can do this stream today. It's so silly. I cross and then I just go and I have to wait again. But it's safe. How you doing, Monkey Bananas and Linux? Oh my goodness. Bing bong.
It's hot today.
It is. It's like probably the hottest day so far this year. Oh. I need some air conditioning for my bike. I don't think that's how those pedestrians should be crossing, but woo. It is, man. Here I get to complain about these things in my bike lane again. Whoa. Tomorrow is just gonna be mayhem. Oh my Lord. You can turn right, Mazda. You can go. Not anymore. Ooh, this shade is nice for a few seconds.
Linux Physics said, you can go if you wanna, but if you don't go and your friend don't go, well, then they're no friend of mine.
Dun 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 dun. Water break.
Linux Physics said, they really need a drinking fountain here.
Yeah, they got rid of that one, remember?
Linux Physics said, be safe everyone.
Oh, look at this taxi just parked right in the lane here. Okay, it's going. It's going, it's stopping, it doesn't know what the fuck it's doing. Now it won't let us go hit the button.
Linux Physics said, at least he signaled.
Did you see there's a Lego racing bike now you can get? What? It looks pretty cool. It's red, but I think it's kind of expensive. But I wouldn't mind doing that.
Linux Physics said, sounds highly non-aerodynamic.
It even has a free wheel, a free hub. Whew. Whew-wee. It's a hot one out there, everybody. I hope you brought enough water.
Linux Physics said, video became choppy so we didn't see it.
Oh. You didn't see what? I was just talking about how hot it was. My setup sucks.
Linux Physics said, did some guy spewed some water?
Oh, I didn't see. No, maybe? I was just saying you better bring some water in a funny voice. Because it's a hot one. It's a hot one. It's a hot one. What's happening at the free table? It's almost been cleared out. Well, I think they're packing it up for the day, maybe. I don't know. The owner, that guy was there. So, did anybody buy anything on Amazon Prime Day? It's not a Prime Day deal, but I was looking at the drone, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo, which seems pretty cool. It's $465 or something. What's funny, I came out of the bathroom in my work building today, and I was walking through the hall, and some guy was flying the DJI Mini 3 through the hallway. I'm like, what's going on? So I guess they got it. My work got it. It does 4K 30 frames a second, which I think is fine. It doesn't have, oh, look at that person was gonna cheat and they almost hit those two people. Anyways, it doesn't have like the auto collision detection or anything. Ooh, look at that old Volvo. What a boring car. It's like the car you would draw in grade school. Like a rectangular car. Look at this. Bunch of bikes. Tacoma wants to turn right.
Linux Physics said, highlight of these rides are.
Okay. Here goes Linux with his David Letterman top 10.
Linux Physics said, 1. Intersection of Doom. Linux Physics said, 2. Free table. Linux Physics said, 3. Train and cheaters.
Oh yeah.
Linux Physics said, 4. Hill of close calls. 5. Nanaimo drama.
Yeah, Nanaimo drama. That's where I've had the most close or near death experiences, really. So, here comes the junk. I remember riding my bike around Stanley Park and Beach Drive during, I think it was our heat wave a few years ago, or during COVID still. And some guy just walking on the street asked me for water. And I was like, I'm sorry. But I did have water, like 2 water bottles, but not like disposable ones. And I didn't really want to get it all contaminated by him. And he looked fine. He was totally fine. He was just a dude with no shirt walking around in the hot sun. But if it was someone that was like literally dying of thirst, I would have given them my water. Let's go to easy mode. Easy to tow. That's been there on the no parking for 2 days now. There's a no parking sign. Alberta. Oh, that guy's got a 12 pack of something. Coca-Cola. Oh.
Linux Physics said, whenever they have big hills like this, the city should make the road wider. Very useful during snow.
I got guys passing me on the left, on the right. They just can't take how slow I am. All right, didn't I see a movie truck earlier this morning? Let's see what they've done here. I had some good eyes this morning. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trucks. Oh, they're still setting up for movie filming. Up the hill we go. Do, 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 do. Yeah, so I think tomorrow morning I'll go to work a bit earlier. Maybe I'll start the stream at 8:30 and see what the march to BC Place is like. Let's avoid Nanaimo again today. I think this is the safer way to do it anyways. Or more efficient way. Well, let's go through this way here today. Oof. Oh my. It is hot. Need some more water here. Oh, look, it's a crow. Yummy peanut. They should really have this water park going, right? There's like someone brought their little water slide, water raft toy. Ooh. And there's no water.
Langstrom said, "Ah."
Yeah, why would they have a water facility there and not fill it up? Hey Langstrom, thanks for joining the stream. I'm going to be home soon and get a nice cold beverage.
Langstrom said, "Nice."
I've got 3 flavors of the IV, liquid IV. I've got lemon lime, passion fruit, or or what's the other one? Lemon lime, passion fruit, or like the Star Pop one. The Astro Pop flavor. Star Bomb, what do they call it? I don't even know. I saw that they have Oreo cookies flavored like that now too. Looks like what is it? Lemon, cherry, raspberry, blue raspberry. I think I might go for lemon lime.
Langstrom said, "Can't go wrong with lemon lime."
Oh. I like how my bike ride ends on the shade there. That's good. I didn't plan it that way. There we go. Oh, hello, Crow. You're waiting for me.
Langstrom said, "LOL."
He's hot. He's got his mouth open. There's some water here for him as well. He's not interested in dry peanuts on a day like today. Caw-caw. Here, I'll toss a peanut further away from me. No? Now he just flew above me. Is this shadow up there? I think that's him.
Langstrom said, "Maybe should bring some grapes or something, haha."
Oh, I've got grapes, yeah. I think that's his shadow, like, right there. Okay, I'll end the stream. Thanks. We'll do a crazy stream tomorrow morning. Oh no, there's his shadow. Oh, there he is, right there. I don't know if you can see it on my camera. Right there.
Lundstrom said, I see him.
Right there. Whew. Okay, yeah, tomorrow morning will be a crazy stream with over 50,000 people. So the stream might not even work.
Physics said, thanks for the stream. Have a cool, great dinner.
I will. See you guys in the next one. Say goodbye to the crow over here.